Hey, hey! Show me your hands. Put your hands on your head, both of you. Put your hands on your head. Stop and put your hands on your head, both of you. On your head. Put them on your head. Put them on your head. Put one hand on your head and stay there. Hands on your head, Brent. Turn away. Both of you. That's all right. Everybody stay there.
413 to 319's traffic come through. 10-4, 3 detained, 3 at gunpoint. I'm moving to your vehicle. I'm moving to your right side.
When we get a third.
Okay. Okay. I've got her on the right.
Male without the shirt, I want you to just get down on your knees and cross your legs. Just kneel down. Okay, we'll deal with them in a minute. Female in the purple shirt, same thing, down on your knees. Face away from me. Can you notify South Burlington? Come up to me. Nail back first and just let you handcuff. I'll be releasing the whole thing. Okay. Male without the shirt on, I want you to stand up, face away from me. I want you to walk back to the sound of my voice. Continue to face away from me. Keep coming. Keep coming. Take a couple steps to your right. Stop.
Keep your hands on your head! Keep them on your head!
What he's saying, hon. Please.
Put your hands back on.
Yes, sir. I'm not trying to do that, guy. Am I getting message for anything? I mean, it's a BB gun that they had, and I took it out of my girlfriend's hands.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I'm not doing nothing wrong, you know what I'm saying?
You're being cooperative.
Yeah. And I just go on.
Go back over here. Now stand right behind this cruiser, okay? Are you Brett?
Yeah. I might be a knife in this pocket.
Okay, appreciate you telling me that.
Yeah.
Stop moving! On the right side!
Why don't you stand right here and face the city? You have any other knives on you?
Right there, 2 in that pocket.
Yeah, pull that one out real quick.
Yeah. There you go.
Now put your hands back on your head. I want you to walk backwards to the sound of my voice.
Got hands.
I'm going to have you stop rolling.
Yep.
Keep coming back. You're good. You're not going to hit anything. Just keep backing up. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. I want you to stop and take about 6 steps to your right. So you're out on the road. Yep. Continue to face away, back up to the sound of my voice again. Keep backing up. Keep coming, keep coming. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep coming. Stop.
Alright, you want to handcuffs real quick, okay?
Yep.
Just walk backwards.
I'm sorry, what's that?
You're being detained right now.
Okay.
Sit up!
Who else is in the
Do
car?
not move!
Nobody's in the car.
No one's in
Stop
the car? Are
moving!
you positive on that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stop moving!
What's that? Okay. Hey, are you able to pat her down and throw in that car, please?
Yeah, I can. Here, let me hold her while I get French settled.
Why are we, am I being arrested?
You're being detained right now. We'll let you know though, okay?
Okay.
But for right now, we're going to throw you in a car just because we don't have a lot of people. We got to deal with what's ahead of us.
Okay.
Alright, ma'am, you want to come?
I haven't pat her down yet. Alright. I'm ready. Whenever.
Alright, correct. Move up on the right. I want you to keep, move up on the right. I want you to keep eyes on the female with the dog. We'll move up and put the vehicle.
I want to pull the car up more. Or?
Probably that probably would have been a better idea. But you can film yourself so we're going to do it.
Yeah.
On your right.
We don't have...
Stop talking!
Look. Alright. Move up.
Yep. Yep.
Is the dog friendly?
No.
Okay.
Please. Just please.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Can you stand up and hold on to the leash, please?
Listen to what he's telling you!
on, I'll get the
Please
leash.
don't yell,
One
please.
on commands.
He's going to scare him.
Okay, just grab the leash, please, and I want you to just stand up and control the dog, okay?
Okay.
Can we approach you with the dog, or no? I don't want to get bit, so...
Can I put the belt around me?
Sure.
Because it will
Yep,
secure it.
Maybe she could put the rope around the post.
that'll work. Or can you chain the dog to the post over there? Just so we can pat you down, and then you can take possession of the dog again.
Yeah.
You just come towards me. Just keep your hands on your head. You got no weapons on or anything like that?
No, I swear. My
We'll
phone,
pat her
and
down.
that's it.
We'll leave.
Turn around quick.
Yep.
Hands in there. Just gonna stand there, okay? Is there anyone else in the vehicle? Or
Just my phone.
You want it back in there?
Sure. Thank you.
Yep. You can turn around. We're gonna go this way.